Welcome back, students. Okay, let us continue the problems. So, see the question. Check whether the relation are defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as relation is defined on that set as a comma b such that b is equal to the a plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. We have to check this given relation on the set is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, so let us first check the reflexive relation. Before that, let us write the given. So given set, name it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a given set. Then R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to the A plus 1. It is a relation. Okay. So write the reflexive set. It is a reflexive or not. A reflexive relation. Okay. So before writing a reflexive relation, I will write the order pair of the relation R because it is a 1 to 6 set numbers. Okay, R is equal to B. If I put A is equal to the 1, A equal to the 1 means 1 plus 1, B is equal to the 2. So if I put A is equal to the 1, I will get B equal to the 2. Okay, that is like B is equal to the A plus 1. Suppose A is equal to the 1. Suppose A is equal to the 1. B is equal to the 1 plus 1 equal to the 2. Suppose A is equal to the 2. B is equal to the 2 plus 1. It is equal to 3. Its order pair is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Its order pair is 2 comma 3. Okay, like that. So 2 comma 3. Suppose if I put 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 comma 4. Okay, next 4 means 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 comma 5. Then 5 comma 6. Suppose if I put 6, A equal to the 6, then we will get B equal to the 7. B is equal to 7. We will get. Okay. Next. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Right. Now reflexive. So, dear students, let us see here. For all A belongs to the set A comma A doesn't belongs to the R. You can observe here. Note both now ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 comma 1 ಇಲ್ಲ 2 comma 2 ಇಲ್ಲ 3 comma 3 ಇಲ್ಲ 4 comma 4 5 comma 5 6 comma 6 ಯಾವ numbers ಯಾವ order pair belongs to the R ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore that is, or else write that is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and so on 6 comma 6 doesn't belongs to the R. So hangidre ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ನಾವು? Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. So clearly picturized the relation R. Relation R that is possible order pairs ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. So by seeing this ಈ relation R order pairs ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ directly we can decide the reflexive, symmetric and transitive relations. Okay, so this is not a reflexive. Next, symmetric. So see here, let's take 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 belongs to the R, but its reverse 2 comma 1. Is there 2 comma 1 in the relation R? So not there. 2 comma 1 doesn't belong to the R. Therefore, for all A comma B belongs to the set A comma B belongs to the R, but B comma A doesn't belongs to the R. B comma A doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric relation. So last one is transitive relation. Okay, transitive relation. So let consider any two order pairs, that is A comma B, B comma C, like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Let 1 comma 2 belongs to the R and 2 comma 3 belongs to the R. 1 comma 2 belongs to the R and 2 comma 3 belongs to the R. But see, A comma C, 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. So is there 1 comma 3 in the relation R? That is right. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. But 1 comma 3 illa. Therefore, it doesn't belongs to the R. Doesn't belongs to the R. It is not a symmetric. So now particularly ಎರಡು order pair ಬರ್ತನ in generally ಬರ್ತನ. So for all A, B and C belongs to the set A. Set A comma B belongs to the R and B comma C belongs to the R, but A comma C doesn't belongs to the R. So therefore R is not transitive. R is not a transitive. Okay. See, take one more. 2 comma 3 belongs to the R. 3 comma 4 belongs to the R. But 2 comma 4 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore, it is not a transitive. Therefore, the given relation B is equal to A plus 1 is not a reflexive, not a symmetric, and not a transitive. So, dear students, it's an important question already asked in the 2017 March annual exam for the 3 marks. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. So they have given a directly order pairs. So we have to check so that it is a symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. You have to show that that relation is neither reflexive nor transitive, but it is symmetric. Okay. So given set is given a set A is equal to, I will name it as a A. 1, 2, 3, right? R equal to the 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Okay, reflexive ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 belongs to the R ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, so but 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore R is not reflexive. So we can observe directly. Okay, given relation contain only 2 order pairs, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, and in the set 1, 2, 3 elements are there. Any element is not related to itself. It means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore we can say R is not a reflexive. Okay, symmetric. Okay, so see 1 comma 2. For all 1, 2 belongs to the set A. 1 comma 2 belongs to the R, and its reverse order pair 2 comma 1 also belongs to the R. There are only 2 order pairs of the 1 comma 2 R may belong to the 2 comma 1 belongs to the R. Therefore R is symmetric relation. R is symmetric relation. suppose 1, 3 relation ಆಗಿದ್ದು 3, 1 ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ it is not a symmetric relation. So 1, 2 other reverse order pair 2, 1 belongs to R therefore A, B belongs to the R, B, A belongs to the R. It means R is a symmetric relation. Okay. Next, transitive. Okay, transitive. Okay, so see 1, 2 belongs to the R and 2, 1 belongs to the R. Means A, B, B, C belongs to the R, but A, C 1, 1 that is 1, 1 doesn't belongs to the R. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not a transitive relation. R is not a transitive relation. So they in the question only they said to show that R is reflexive, R is not reflexive, symmetric and not transitive. Okay, so as we have seen 1, 2, 3, doesn't belongs to the R, therefore it is not a reflexive. And from the given relation R, 1, 2 belongs to the R and its reverse order pair 2, 1 belongs to the R, therefore R is symmetric relation. So for the transitive 1, 2 belongs to the R, 2, 1 belongs to the R, but A, C 1, 1 doesn't belong to the R, therefore R is also not a transitive relation. Show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college. All the books in a library of a college given by, the relation is given by R is equal to the order pair X, Y such that X and Y, books X and Y have the same number of pages is an equivalence relation. So we have to show that R is an equivalence relation and the set A is set of all the books in a library of a college. R is a relation X, Y such that books X and Y, book X and Y have the same number of pages. Okay, reflexive relation, check the reflexive. So see, for all X belongs to the A. So any book in a library, totally entire library of a college daginda yavado book togori, number of pages in a book X are equal to the number of pages in the book X, means X is related to itself. So number of pages in book X is equal to itself, therefore X, belongs to R. Therefore we can say R is reflexive. Next, symmetric. So let us consider two books. Here book concept one. Let X, Y belongs to the set A. The X and Y books they are belongs to the library of a college. Okay. First we have to consider X, Y belongs to the R. It means book X and Y have the same number of pages. X and Y have the same number of pages, Chandra. We can write it reverse. Y and X have the same number of pages. Y and X have same number of pages. It means x, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ x and y have the same number of pages ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದೇನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ y and x have the same number of pages. It means y, x belongs to the R. Y, x belongs to the R. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. So, book X dagiನ pages book Y dagiನ pages equal ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ book Y dagiನ pages book X dagiನ pages ಗೆ equal ಇರ್ತಾವ. That is x, y belongs to the R ಆದ್ರೆ y, x belongs to the R ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. Therefore, this is a symmetric relation. Next, transitive. So let us consider three books. Consider model. Let x, y and z belongs to the set A. Andre x, y and z are the three books of a library of a college. So first name model now x, y belongs to the R. Hingandre book x and book y have the same number of pages. Book X and Y have same number of pages. Next, Y, Z belongs to the R. It means book Y and Z have same number of pages. So nodri book X ಮತ್ತು book Y ದಾಗಿನ pages same ಅದಾವ. book Y ಮತ್ತು book Z ದಾಗಿನ pages same ಅದಾವ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರ X ಮತ್ತು Z ದಾಗಿನ same number of books ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ Y ದಾಗಿನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು Z ಅದಾವ. That is so nodri X equal to Y ಅದಾವ, Y equal to Z ಅದ. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರ obviously x equal to into z ಇರ್ತದೆ. Therefore number of pages in book X are equal to number of pages in book Z. Therefore, x, z belongs to the R. So, x, y belongs to the R, y, z belongs to the R. Then x, z belongs to the R means R is transitive relation. So, R is reflexive, R is transitive, R is symmetric. R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So ಮೂರು ಗುಣಾದ್ರೆ therefore R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. So we have shown that the relation R, that is x and y have the same number of pages in a library of a college is an equivalence relation. Okay, so let us continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.